100 kitchen utensils with tape. Aren't these precious artworks you can sell at an auction? An eggplant, a salt shaker, a frying pan, a chef. A chef? We're not selling you for $120,000. Come to us. And we start our show! What do you need for an awesome event? Of course, 2 rooms and contestants. Let's meet our lucky guys. A team of cute ladies and a team of strong gentlemen. I'm so glad to see you. We're looking forward to begin. So, go to your spots! It would be interesting to see who will win this battle. I guess the ladies aren't giving up that easily. They're in a mood to fight till the very end. Our tough gentlemen are also ready to amaze us with their cooking masterpieces. Hey, move a bit. Attention! Here's a pretty difficult task for you. Turn the food on your tables into the tastiest dishes. It's up to you to decide what dishes, 'cause I'm not a chef. Get to it, and I'll tell you about cooking hardships a bit later. Lamb, nice. Focus on me. Everyone has their own responsibility. Start. And now listen to the most important news. All chefs are only cooking with one hand. The other one will be occupied with a toy, or it will be tied. Come on. What a nice salmon, am I right? I personally picked it out. I can't wait to taste your dish. I would like some tea with lemon. But you keep doing your thing. How does it feel to cook with just one hand? Is it weird? But I'm sure it's temporary. You're already frying your fish? Hey, what? Yes, I took your lemon. Keep calm. Here's my favorite veggie for you. Use this zucchini. You will definitely find a way to successfully include it into your dish. Well, you don't need that. Ladies, you're doing amazing. Oh, what's going on? We're all chained to the rhythm. Chained to the rhythm. Keep calm. We can solve it. If you put your efforts together, you will also be able to perfectly cook lamb chops. Like so. Yeah, great! Creativity is our motto. It seems that we've been trained our whole lives to cook like that. That's for me, and that's for you. I forgot to mention I'm slightly complicating the task and swap your products. That's much more fun and tastier. What? Were you thinking it was gonna be easy? Cool off. It would be better to think of a way out. I like that there is room for both strong emotions and reason in your team. How are our ladies doing here? I see you're not wasting your time. You're already going to process salmon with cream in a blender. Good job! It's a proof that 2 chefs in one kitchen can get along and direct the cooking process. Our gentlemen need to try harder in order to make such a great cooking duo. Girls, well done! You also know how to grate zucchini with only one hand. And even salt and pepper aren't an obstacle for you. Tell me the truth. Did you practice it beforehand? The boys liven up too. They must have gotten used to it. Or does team spirit work miracles? Did you figure out how to use the products I'm giving you? You easily come up with brilliant ideas. Whoa! Soft breads with herbs on the lamb? Bellissimo! I can't wait! Hey, that's a scam. You can't help each other. This is a competition, a duel. Where is your team rivalry? Well, you can get excited. I'll forgive you, but only because your lamb chops coated with Dijon mustard are making me crazy. And the breading all over the meat. It looks so amazing. I guess it's gonna be super tasty. Put it into the oven right now. Ladies, did you manage to blanch a tomato and peel it? I'm talking so much, it's time to taste at least something. Hey, why are you messing with the judge? Then I'm taking away one of your ingredients. We'll see in the finale how you will find a solution. And the boys really sped up. Way to go! The girls are already jealous of your success and good mood. Want to see a magic trick? Abracadabra, boom! And there are peas in the studio. Wham! And there's a saucepan to help you out. Do you know what you will be doing next? Are you making sandwiches or what? I want to give you some more ingredients. But do I? Oh, what's going on? So this is the magic trick you prepared for me? Nice one. I'm watching you cook peas and understand that the cord isn't bothering you anymore. You're doing it so easily. That's pleasing to watch. You're getting better. What are you up to? Don't make me mad, I just complimented you. Why are you messing with the girls? They're trying so hard. And who is all of this for? Me, the best judge in the world. Why would you be shy and hide the truth? But what are these drops you're making? It looks like berries and champagne from far away. Ladies, this is intriguing. Fighters, catch up. Look at your cooking opponents and amaze me. Well, at least pretend that you're listening to me when you're cooking your bechamel sauce. In case you're wondering, I like it when there's a lot of nutmeg. And I also like it when it's served nice. So try a bit harder for me. Do you smell something burning? Lamb! How could you forget about it? Ow. Quickly give your companion tongs. A paper towel won't help you. Take it out immediately. There you go. Yay, my dinner is saved. The chop is done just right. Whoa, you made me nervous. But why isn't there any more cream left? Are you drinking it? How can you be so wasteful? That's it, I'm taking away this utensil. It's not up for discussion. Here's another one. You have to use this metallic claw somehow. My darlings, I've been missing you. You're trying so hard to create something for me. Great, you're already assembling your dish. I guess there are no obstacles needed here. However, what am I waiting for? I'll just go and steal this yummy thing. Give it back! Yay, it's mine! This will make you stay alert. But still, your zucchini pasta with salmon mousse, tomato basil caviar, and a tulle looks gorgeous. This dish is just for such a sophisticated person like me. Although I am also obsessed with the lamb from the men's team. Look how great it turned out. These smooth curves, bright colors, It isn't surprising you're nervous. You still have to work on presenting your dishes. Who is this white stripe for? What about imagination? Or you didn't want to please me? Now that's a whole different story. I'm really happy to see this microgreen. Awesome! You did just as good as your opponents. But who will win? Bring everything over to me right now. We've got to make it clear. I'm so happy to see you and your dishes. Well, well, well. Yum. Not bad, not bad. What about our lamb? Well, I don't know. You see, my mustache isn't impressed either. So who's the winner? That's pretty obvious. The Teddy team. And the Tangled team will luck out next time. Girls, let's celebrate it!